Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most common struggles of students, and that is preparing for exams in a short amount of time. Whether you are a student who unknowingly procrastinates or someone who wants to maximize their exam score and become a topper, this video is for you. So friends, let us start. Study tip number 1. Make a study plan. Write down the subjects which you need to study, the amount of time which you have, and then divide the time evenly among the subjects. Don't forget to include breaks in your plan so that you can avoid burnout. Study tip number 2. Focus on the most important topics. The key to success is to prioritize the topics that carry the most weightage in your exams. This will help you to save time and give you the best chance of getting a high score. Study tip number 3. Use flashcards and mnemonics. Friends, flashcards and mnemonics help you to remember important information. These methods are proven to be effective and can help you to save time while studying. Friends, the 4th study tip is practice previous year's exam papers. This will help you to get a feel for the types of questions that are most likely to come up and will give you a better idea of what to expect on exam day. Friends, the 5th study tip is seek help from teachers or tutors. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you are struggling with a particular subject. They would be able to give you valuable insights and advice that can help you to improve your score. Friends, the 6th study tip is study with a group. Studying with friends or classmates can make the process more enjoyable and can help you to retain the information better. Friends, the 7th study tip is use mind maps. Create mind maps for each subject to visualize the information and see the connection between different topics. Friends, the 8th study tip is surround yourself with positive energy. By listening to music, being in nature, or spending time with loved ones. This will help to boost your mood as well as motivation. And friends, the 9th study tip is create a relaxation routine. Make time for relaxation and stress management activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. So there you have it, friends, the top 9 exam preparation tips for students to become a topper. Remember, success comes from hard work and preparation. So make sure to put these study tips into action and give yourself the best chance of success. Good luck with your exams, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and until next time, remember to always be happy, keep smiling, stay positive, and believe in yourself. And do like, comment, share and subscribe for more such entertaining and motivating videos.